Let's do something about this cracked dashboard. That was easy. Just like the other truck, when I turn it on, you can see the front. I think the front fuel gauge works. Thought it did. Oh yeah, it does. It just barely got any gas. But the rear tank, the gauge is not working. Front tank, rear tank. So I think I'll take that fuel sender out and see if I can figure out why the rear tank's not working. The reason the rear tank isn't working, the gauge isn't working, is because this is full of gasoline. Maybe I'll try to get the gas out of it, seal it back up, and then put it back on. See if I can do that without making it explode. Alright, so I found the crack in it. Right there. So I need to get rid of that excess gas, so in true Ozark style, I'm going to strike a match and throw at it. Let's hope I don't blow up. Well, I'm guessing that got rid of all the gasoline in there. Sure did make it hot. Ouch. Okay, I've tried soldering this thing up. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I soldered the 3 places I found holes. Now there might be more in there. I'm going to sink it in this water and see if I get any bubbles. Of course I got bubbles from soap. So if I can't fix that, I got another idea. I'm going to see if I can take it apart and put a wine bottle cork in there. Maybe that'll keep it floating. Here's what I learned today. I don't know how to solder. And don't solder barefooted. But anyway, you can see it's held together. And there's a cork in there. So I'm thinking that should work for a while until I can get a new one of these. Or find somebody that's capable of fixing this. Let's put it back in and see if it works. Well, the cork inside the bad float didn't work. I think the float itself is too heavy, so I'm going to try one other thing. Obviously, the right thing to do is to just get a new float, but I'm going to see if this works. And the answer is no. Oh, it's turned off. Turn it on. Still nothing. Okay. Definitely need new float. That works. Hey, look at there. Well, I think we found at least a temporary fix for the fuel gauge. Very nice. I'm satisfied. I knew I hung on to those corks for some reason.